Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing conjugations. Some basic conjugations like ser and estar. Ser and estar both mean to be, but there's a difference between them. Ser means permanent and estar means temporary. So for things which are permanent in nature, like your character, gender, your origin, place of origin, these are all permanent characteristics. So we use ser. And we use estar when we are talking about your emotion, your action, or maybe you are present at one particular place at a moment of time. It comes under estar. So now talking about the conjugation. The conjugation for ser is soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. I repeat, the conjugation for ser is soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. While the conjugation for estar is estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. Now, a rule how to, basically small trick, I would say, how to remember where to put accent in estar conjugation. Because ser conjugation doesn't have any accent, but how to remember that where to put an accent in estar conjugation. So the rule is leave one and put in two. I repeat, the rule is leave one and put in two. So as per this small trick, you will see estoy has no accent, estás and está, the next two have accent. Estamos has no accent, and estáis and están have an accent. Here on the left side you can see yo, tú, él, ella, usted that we have used. These are again a part of the pronouns that we learned in our previous session. In our next video, we'll be learning about the differences between ser and estar. As I mentioned, how to identify which is a permanent character and which is a temporary character. We'll be laying some emphasis on that and doing that in our next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Adios!